All right, we want the derivative of number 3. So the derivative, I'm going to take my exponent, drop it down in front, multiply by the coefficient. So negative 4 times that 5 is negative 20. X then drops a power. If you're at negative 4 degrees and you drop a degree, you're at negative 5. A lot of us move it the wrong way, but it's dropping a power. So you always need to go down a power. Plus, let's see what happens here. I have this drops down, so it becomes negative 6. Now, you can write plus negative 6. There's nothing wrong with that. Personally, I'd write minus 6, but that's okay. X to the negative 3. And then finally, we'll put plus again. The negative 1 is going to drop in front to be negative 1. X goes to what power? X goes to the negative 2. Now, cleaning this up, if I were really cleaning it up, there's two things. I would do this. I would say minus 6x to the negative 3. And here I would say minus x to the negative 2. Now, do remember, a negative exponent means it's in the bottom. So the answer might appear this way, or it might appear as this. That's a negative exponent, so it's technically down below, 1 on top. These two are exactly the same thing. Don't forget that, because you don't know, especially if it's a multiple choice question, which way it's going to appear. We don't know. Number 4, our x's, in this case, some of them are in the denominator. We can't take the derivative yet. We must rewrite it as negative exponents before we can take the derivative. So this is going to be 5x to the negative 3rd plus 3 times x to the negative 2 minus, now this is just half. This is x squared. There's nothing there. The x squared is on top. The x is not in the denominator, so it's not negative. It's minus a half x squared. So now when we take the derivative, let's see what we get. This drops down in front, gives me negative 15x, drops a power to negative 4. Negative 2 is going to go in front, so we will end up with negative 6, x to the negative 3rd. The 2 is going to come in front. Now, 2 times a half is just 1, and x then drops to the power of 1. So that's what we have. There's the derivative. If we want to rewrite it, we could rewrite this as negative 15 over x to the 4th minus 6 over x to the 3rd minus an x. They're the same thing there.